We've all been there. Right place, wrong time. For people, timing is everything. And for brands, finding the perfect moment to connect can be a challenge, especially with millions of videos flooding social platforms every day. And without the proper tools, content loses context. At Channel Factory, context matters. We understand content better than anyone else, ensuring your ads reach your ideal customers in moments that matter most to them. Our technology filters through social content like a fine-tooth comb. We analyze billions of videos to match your brand ad with the best content, excluding what is not safe or right for your brand's reputation while crafting a seamless experience for your customer. With precision and transparency, brands get back control on where and how they activate on social platforms, eliminating budget waste on placements that just don't make sense for your brand. Channel Factory is recognized as the preferred partner for the world's biggest brands and agencies globally. Channel Factory. We place your ads where they matter most. Get a free campaign analysis of your recent video advertising campaign at channelfactory.com/analysis.